Nope.
Ya Allah me haka.
When I come, Canada lake you what?
What can I do that?
Why am I bathing water?
Now me go fetch water for bathing boy.
I get your meat for Zungeru with the serve
Because the counselor. Yeah.
Yes. When the Nagana come Canada lake, instead of you to go and put bathing water for me, you are sleeping.
You want to bath now?
Now tomorrow I go back to that.
That like you see,
Next year.
I get hypertension. That like you hankali da ni da Allah. Okay, wallahi. Okay. Okay. To garuwan da Allah. Garuwan muna. Garuwan ki zo ki dauka abinki da Allah.
No be juju be that.
You know, I go carry this water, go for you for bathing.
They play.
Enter for front.
No, be like, now you go.
Wallahi, I know one somebody can catch you for there.
Who?
Dodo and something dangerous if you there for there. Man has to watch over. Man must watch over in wife.
No, I don't agree that one.
Gaskiya ba zan shiga gaba ba. Gaskiya ki shiga gaba. Ki shiga gaba. Wallahi ki shiga gaba. For front da Allah. Ke ji mana wai bari in ga miki fa. I know they fear you fa. Allah. I know they fear you fa. Wallahi it's just because they say woman battering domestic violence against woman is no good. Now it is domestic. So this is domestic violence against a man.
On what ground?
How you go tell me say maka go carry water? No problem. All the society is saying. All the society. Are they chop as child?
They are not chopping the child. The child came and even was doing wallow.
The small pikin. That one you don't get training. You don't get training. Every day that girl is a problem.
Now waiting then see.
Okay.
9 days.
You don't see that you get abandoned. Can you hear? Kwarai da gaske mana.